How to activate Google Workspace Gmail in your Squarespace domain and DNS records. So if you want to go ahead and do this, you can start by verifying your domain in the Google admin setup. So you're going to log into your Google Workspace admin account. You could go to the domains and follow the steps to verify your ownership, which is usually just by adding a TXT record in your Squarespace DNS settings. And then once you're verified, you can go ahead to your Squarespace dashboard. You can open into your settings. So in your settings, you'll find two options, either domains and the Google Workspace. But you're gonna go ahead and choose your domains first, and then you can go ahead inside the DNS settings. You're gonna have to navigate yourself to prepare on to updating your MX records. So you're gonna choose the add records option. And before that, you're gonna have to delete any existing MX records and add Google's MX records exactly as provided. So for example, you have these kinds of records over here. So you're gonna use it with the correct priorities. So once that's all done, you can go ahead and save the new MX records that you added. And then with that, it should take up a few minutes, but sometimes it can take up to even longer than that since you're waiting for DNS propagation. So after that, Gmail will start working with your custom domain, and you can send or receive emails through Gmail using your domain address. If email doesn't work right away, you can double check the records or use Google Workspace setup to confirm everything is correctly configured. But that is the general process on how you can do this. So hopefully the information in this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.